akudlindlu ayabaleka magwala akudlindlu ayasesaba magwala wema
It's not about the numbers, but also about culture and realizing African truth. We're at Busy Corner today, 24th of September 2016, celebrating Heritage Day in style, good music, good people, delicious food and all the stuff. Igama lami nguSmaves, television chess boy. Yazi kanjani? Ngena namphakathi sibone ukuthi basiphatheleni. Let's go and get some cheese. Cheers. Khona manje la duze wami ngihlezi noKhansela Zitha, uKhansela wase Ivory Park Ward 79. Siyabona baba kunjani?
Siyaphila nkosami njani?
Ngiyaphila futhi. Baba namhlanje Heritage Day 24 September 2016. Sila Busy Corner, sijabulile kumnandi abantu abahle umusic. Bokuqala nje besithanda ukubonga for ukuthi nisihostele into emnandi kanje as i-community yayithembisa Ivory Park and Midrand as a whole. Siyabonga ukuthi nisenzele into kanje so bengicela ukubuza nje from nini ukuthi what is the motive of the whole event ukuthi niyenze into efana nale namhlanje?
No, thank you very much. And then maybe my greeting to all South Africans from the different background and cultures. I think today is a very, very special day in South Africa.
Right next to me, Mr. Divalt, the event organizer wala Busy Corner. Sabona puthi kunjani?
Hayi, khona puthi.
Ngiyaphila. Ngokuqala nje sithanda ukubonga ukhosta like event enhle njengale yabo. Ngoba izinto ezikanje sasidinga, especially thina la ithembisa Ivory Park and part of Midrand. So, I just want to know ukuthi what inspired you ukuthi uhost such an event?
You know what inspired me is to see all the people of the rainbow colors, the people of the colors of the nation coming together in one to celebrate their heritage and culture and music. That makes me that I fulfill my obligation as an African.
Okay. Since ngoba sesizwile history Busy Corner, as Busy Corner aka Busy Corner imbizo the real name, so bengathanda nje ukuzofomisa la ukuthi kunabantu abaningi abanga-understand ukuthi i-Heritage Day isho ukuthini yabo. So bengachaza nje bengathanda nje bangachazisela from your side ukuthi okay, what is the importance of Heritage Day?
I think in terms of Heritage Day, the meaning of it is to track back to say, as Africans, we must celebrate our heritage and we must know what happens in the past, the now and the present. Then we cannot move forward if we don't know what happened in the past. That actually goes with the present, which is the future now. So we must pass it on to the new generation that doesn't know about the heritage, what is the meaning of it. Because the heritage teaches us a lot about our basics, about our roots, culture. And because at Imbizo, we celebrate heritage in style and class and dignity. That's what you saw it, even everything there you see is class. In terms of culture, everything is top up.
Asibonga kakhulu Baba Divalt. Hopefully next year soba nani futhi.
Sithi mkumeli wemkumeli uthathile ushayisi ijane siyathathile ushayisi sithi mkumeli wemkumeli uthathile babo ushayisi ijane siyathathile ushayisi